outgoing and incoming.
Any signal that we give to our cell or that they send to each other can have huge impacts on our overall well-being.
We are always trying to upgrade our products. The Essentials is one that constantly receives upgrades. We went through every single ingredient on the label, and is this enough? Is there another ingredient that we can put in that will help with bioavailability or help this ingredient do what it does?
We research to find out what is the optimum doses for each of the ingredients. And it's a lot of work to nail down a specific dose. You have to do the cell study and clinical study.
We were looking at these herbal ingredients that were known to activate antioxidant systems. And so instead of just giving the traditional antioxidants, vitamin C, vitamin E, we have this herbal complex that was working through your internal mechanisms to fire up antioxidant processes. We call this activation process Intelligence technology.
There are millions of different cell signaling pathways in our bodies, and all of them are sending signals up and down and through your body. It can be difficult to have a signal be heard through that noise. And so with the Intelligence blend in Cellsentials, our goal was to help that specific NRF2 signaling pathway be heard above the noise.
Cellsentials is an evolution of USANA's nutritional technology. So it's got the benefits of both the vitamin mineral technology, the very best, the antioxidant technology, which we perfected over the last 30 years, plus new cell signaling technology that we've developed over the last decade. And Intelligence technology is still in its infancy, but we've still got many decades left of development. There's so many permutations, so many options that we can do with improving human health. It's a major step towards our greater goal of empowering everyone to proactively take control of their health.
Fish. You know they're good for you. They have awesome benefits. And if you eat the right fish, they can support your cardiovascular, brain, eye, and joint health. That's because they're loaded with omega-3s. But here's the catch. To get the recommended amount of omega-3s each week, your diet would need to consist of fish, and more fish, which unfortunately can also contain dangerous contaminants like mercury. As a result, it can be difficult to minimize these hazardous toxins while still getting the right amount of omega-3s your body desperately needs. That's why you need USANA's Biomega, the perfect combination of both EPA and DHA omega-3s in a safe, pure formula with no detectable contaminants. That's because Biomega undergoes an impressive double molecular distillation process. In fact, it's been tested and certified by NSF International, a leading provider of independent product test results. And because Biomega is manufactured through sustainable practices and renewable resources, you can feel good about taking a supplement that doesn't harm the environment. And get this, compared to other products on the market, Biomega is fortified with vitamin D, has no fishy aftertaste, and provides more than 1,000 milligrams of EPA and DHA in only 2 capsules. USANA's Biomega, the best fish oil product you can choose to support cardiovascular, brain, eye, and joint health. So join the millions of people around the world, including over 600 elite athletes who trust their health to the worldwide leader in personalized nutrition. USANA, your health, your life, your way.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to your favorite Friday evening habit. It's Wellness Weekend Talk. And this is Nina Cordon, your corporate pharmacist from Davao City. And with me?
Hello, everyone. Good evening. I'm James Lariosa all the way here from Makati office. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Wow, taas na energy. Good evening, Ninya. Hello. Kamusta ka dyan sa Davao?
Ako, okay lang, James, no? Payapa ang paligid.
Wow, payapa.
Oo. And you know what, James? Ano naman yung pag-uusapan natin tonight? It's gonna be about usapang puso. So, kamusta yung puso mo dyan? Sabi mo, high energy, ah?
Yeah, actually, malusog. stable, no? Physically, physically, and spiritually.
Ayun.
Busog yung puso ko here.
Ayun. So, di ba? Napaka-importante kasi ng ng healthy heart. No? Kasi
Yes.
if you have a healthy heart, then it would lead to a healthy being natin. No? All over the body would surely be affected. Kaya nga, we give importance to our heart kahit hindi February, kahit hindi Valentine's Day yung celebration natin. And that's
Actually, dapat every day.
yes, that's
right?
true. Kaya nga, di ba, James, paano mo ngayon nalagaan yung heart mo? Share mo naman dyan.
Ayan na naman tayo eh. So, since athlete nga ako, diba? So, sa aming mga athlete, very important is yung aming cardio. No, and as a athlete, dapat aalagaan mo yung cardio mo. Kasi especially sa event ko, no, sa sports ko, endurance. No? Kasi nga sa hindi pa po nakakaalam, I'm a softball player. National athlete po ng softball. No? So, endurance yung mahalaga sa amin. And paano mo alagaan yung endurance? Siyempre, ang first na alagaan mo dyan is yung iyong heart. No? Yung iyong cardio. No? And there are some ways, no? para alagaan yung heart, no? yung cardio. So ako personally, yung ginagawa ko kasi every day, no, I run at least 20 to 30 minutes every day before ako pumasok ng work. Kasi when I was nasa military pa, no, nasanay ako na every day, every morning tatakbo kami before kami pumasok sa duty. 30 minutes at least kahit pa paano mapawisan na. And yun yung key para sa akin to maging healthy, no, yung heart.
Ayun. So, that would
So,
be...
kamusta ang puso ni Ninya Cordon?
Kasama ba ito sa napag-usapan? Syempre, yung heart natin dapat healthy, no? Kasi,
Yes,
although
correct.
I don't run every day, but I run late. So, char lang. Joke lang. Hindi ako nalilate. Minsan lang. Kaya ng bahay namin, guys. But, I also take care of my heart by watching what I eat. So, food talaga yun eh. Another,
Yes,
aside
actually.
your physical activity, we do a cardio exercise. We also see to it that we are eating healthy food that is also healthy for our heart. No? So, sa pagkain din talaga ako. More on nakafocus pag pinag-uusapan yung heart natin. Kasi, our heart is a very important muscle of the body. So, if may konting aberya lang dyan, affected na po yung buong katawan natin.
Yes, correct.
That's why, James, tonight, we're gonna talk about a little bit of heart function, and later on, we will present with to them kung ano yung mga different products under our cardio pack. So, ayan. So, let me begin first with our discussion, no, ng ating
Puso!
heart.
ng ating
No,
heart.
akala kasi nila, no, pag Valentine's Day lang binibigyan ng importansya yung heart.
No, dapat every day, guys. No,
Everyday po yan, guys. Hindi lang
Yes.
pag may minamahal ka, no, mahalin mo talaga. Yung puso talaga, yung health ng heart. Okay?
Yes.
So for this time, we're gonna talk about the cardiovascular system so that we would be able to appreciate what the heart does for us, for the whole body. And so, you can tell that your heart is working if naririnig niyo yung lub-dub na sound. No? Can you feel it? Check nyo nga kung tumitibok pa ang puso kahit ilang beses nang nasaktan. Ayan! So, segue lang. So, you felt the pulse also in your wrist. So, it's indicating that your body is still okay or it's still running. But the blood that is really flowing inside your arteries and, in your veins, hindi po yan aksidente lang. O kaya parang napag-desisyonan nila na mag-flow sila sa katawan. You know that our cardiovascular system is composed of the blood. No? We have also the blood vessels, yung mga ugat, heart, and lungs. And yes, you've heard it. Kasama po ang lungs. Okay? Hindi pwedeng heart lang. So they all work together to bring the oxygen you breathe to the rest of your body. So this relationship is known as the cardiovascular system. And you know what? It works 24/7 to keep us moving. Kaya kahit yung natutulog po tayo, hindi po kahit at rest tayo, no? Still working. And that makes our cardiovascular system very remarkable. So let's know first, ano yung cardiovascular vocabulary na we can also learn tonight para ma-appreciate natin kung ano yung ginagawa ng heart. So first of all is our cardiovascular system. So it's the network of organs and the blood vessels responsible for the oxygenation no, ng ating katawan. And it's, the moving of blood all throughout the body. And the cardiovascular system consists of the heart, the lungs, and lahat ng ugat, no? Lahat ng arteries, the veins, and even the capillaries. Another is heart. Syempre, common to, no? Heart actually is a four-chambered muscle located underneath the breastbone of your rib cage. So yung nagsisilbing protection ng ating heart dito is yung ribs or yung rib cage natin. Kasi nga, di ba, napaka-vital niya na organ. So just a small injury there, it could really impact a lot, no, sa whole body. And the heart pumps oxygen-rich blood out to the body and oxygen-poor blood to the lungs. And yung contraction of the heart muscle is yung tinatawag nating beat or heartbeat. Ayan. So, another is heart rate. So, ano bang heart rate? Ito yung tinatawag din nating pulso. No, ano bang pulso ng bayan? Ayan. So, this is the frequency of the complete heart muscle contractions. And name-measure natin siya by beats per minute. So, yung average heart rate ng isang healthy adult is between 60 at rest and 100 beats per minute naman going about your day. Okay, so that's our heart rate. And we also have the lungs. Ayan, very common. Alam naman siguro natin kung ano yung lungs. So, it's a pair of organs, no, na nakasit din siya within your rib cage kasi it needs to be protected also. And this, lungs, it is like a very fine network na mga sako or sacs. Nakaspread dito yung blood all throughout. And that's why yung increasing surface area nito, it allows na mag-diffuse in and out ang blood, including the carbon dioxide and the oxygen. So very important ang function ng lungs, no, kasama ang heart para mag-oxygenize ng ating katawan. Another, pulmonary. So you've heard also this one. So it refers to the lungs. Walang iba. Okay? So pag pulmonary, it's lungs. Systemic. Systemic refers to the other organs of the body kasama ang liver, intestines, brain, kidneys, etc. Blood vessels naman, ito yung mga tubo, no, kung saan dumadaloy ang dugo. So there are two main types ng blood vessels. We have the arteries and the veins. So for most of your body, this means ang arteries po, siya yung nagki-carry ng dugo na may oxygen, while ang veins naman, it carries oxygen-depleted blood. So, wala siyang dala-dalang oxygen. And we also have the blood. So, blood, of course, when we think of blood, we think of red. No? So, this is a liquid substance na pinapump ng ating cardiovascular system. So, blood is mostly water and hindi lang siya parang tubig lang, but it has a lot of components to it. Ito yung responsible kung kaya yung mga different nutrients nakakaabot siya sa different parts of the body. And it also contains many types of cells. We have the red blood cells, the white blood cells, the plasma, serum, and the platelets. And to discuss more of the components of our blood, here it is. So if you're gonna centrifuge your blood, like what the medical technologists do sa laboratory, ganito po yung itsura niya. No? Kasi when you centrifuge a blood sample, parang sineseparate niya yung different components. So as you can see there, what you will get from the sample is the red blood cells, the RBCs, that carry the oxygen and carbon dioxide in and out of the body. While yung white blood cells naman are mostly involved naman sa immune response. And last week, we talked about our immune system. So ito yung mga key players natin, no, to keep our immunity strong. So yung ating mga white blood cells. And we don't just have one type of white blood cells. We have a lot because we are encountering a lot of pathogens. No? May specific white blood cell tayo for a certain virus, for a bacteria, for parasite. So, depende po sa pwedeng umatake sa katawan natin. Another is the plasma. So, what is this plasma? So, this is the colorless fluid that contains the fatty components ng blood. The serum naman is the amber-colored component ng blood containing the proteins. While the platelets, ito yung half-moon shape. Ayan. And they are responsible for blood clotting. So, right now, no, napaka-uso ng dengue, no, nationwide. Even here in Davao City, no, we have a lot of cases of dengue here. And isa sa mga, ang target talaga, no, ng dengue virus is yung platelets. That's why it is constantly being monitored in the hospital if may dengue ka. No, kaya yung mga isang symptoms ng magkaka-dengue is meron siyang bleeding. No, so yun. That's for our platelets. Now, let's talk about now the blood pressure. Ayan. So, sino po yung makaka-relate dito na, naku, high blood ako. Naku, parang sakit na ng bato ko or nahihilo ako. Ayan. So, common to sa mga may edad na. But actually, this is a very good type of pressure kasi some of us would think, naku, ang pressure, ayan na naman. Naku, ayan na naman siya, nakaka-stress. But this is a very good type of pressure as long as it is in the normal levels. Okay? Kasi ang blood pressure po, kung wala pong force sa blood natin, sa blood vessels, hindi po makaka-move yung dugo. Okay? So clinically, blood pressure is reported as systolic pressure over diastolic. So systolic over diastolic. And ang blood pressure is highest sa arteries and pinakamababa naman sa veins. So what is diastole? So when we talk about diastole, related siya sa expansion, relaxation, or dilation ng ating mga ugat. Okay, so let's have this systolic blood pressure. So itong systolic blood pressure, pag kayo po ay nagpapa-BP talaga, like nagmo-monitor kayo kasi hypertensive kayo, kailangan i-monitor. So minsan ito yung mga words na naririnig natin. Okay? So yung systolic blood pressure natin, this is the pressure in your blood vessels. Pag ang blood is actively moving through them after being forced by the heart, no, away from the heart. So normal na systolic blood pressure is to be less than 120 mmHg. Okay? So yan yung normal, no? While the diastolic naman, na blood pressure, ito yung pressure ng blood vessels natin between the heartbeat and when the blood is not flowing and your blood vessels and heart are at rest. Okay, so it's the opposite of the systolic. And ang normal diastolic blood pressure is considered to be less than 80 mmHg. So for a healthy individual, walang sakit, okay, that person could have this. Okay, meron siyang less than 120 over 80. But if you have a medical condition, any cardiovascular diseases or any kidney problems or any medical condition related to blood pressure, mataas po yan. Okay, so yun yung parang danger doon, no? Pag tumaas po yung BP ninyo and pag constant yung pagtaas niya. So it has to be checked by a medical professional, by a physician. Okay, pag nangyari po yan sa inyo. And the capillaries. So the capillaries, they are the small network of tiny blood vessels. So pinakamaliit sa tatlo. So yung capillaries natin, ito yung nag-a-allow ng oxygen and other nutrients na makapasok doon sa different types of cells, tissues, and organs. Sa kasulok-sulukan po ng katawan natin. No, yan po, ang capillaries ang naghahatid ng nutrients. And also, they have this capacity, no, para kahit yung mga nutrient poor blood, no, mapuntahan siya. Okay? And talking about this hypertension, no, just a little bit lang about hypertension, kasi this is very common, or what we call the high blood pressure. No? So it would increase as we age. So sometimes you feel like, no, wala naman akong sakit. Pero why is it after how many years when I reach 40s, 50s, 60s, parang hindi na normal yung yung blood pressure ko. Parang umangat konti. So actually, it's one of the risk factors na yung age. Number 1 talaga ang pag-akit ng edad. Another is race. Mostly, common siya sa mga Black people. Sa family history naman, yun, most likely magkakaroon ka ng hypertension if you have a parent or parents have a history of blood pressure or siblings, no, na may condition nito. Or if you are obese or overweight ka, mas malaki ang tsansa na magkakaroon ka ng hypertension. Or hindi ka nag-exercise. Ayan. So, importante talaga na physically active ka. Or, eto pa, no? Pag naninigarilyo or nag-vape ka. Or vaping. Sabi nila, safe daw yung vape. Pero actually, it could add to the risk factor of having hypertension pa rin, ang vaping. And pag mahilig ka sa maaalat na pagkain, or mababa yung potassium levels mo, or hindi healthy ang eating patterns, no? Kaya take note of the food, the kind of food na dapat nating kainin. And pag mahilig kang uminom ng alak, kasi pag may alak, alam na, may hypertension, kalaunan, ayan. And certain health conditions. So if you know someone who has diabetes, chronic kidney disease, or even buntis, ayan, pwedeng makadevelop ng hypertension. But as for the pregnancy, may mga times na it's just during pregnancy nila nagkakaroon ng hypertension, pero nawawala din pag nanganak na. Kaya dapat alagaan talaga ang health ni mommy, no? Para hindi siya mag-progress into something severe type of hypertension. So yun lang, things that we need to know para ma-prevent natin yung hypertension. And did you know that our cardiovascular system is important? It may be bigger than you think. Kasi po together, pag-iipon-ipunin natin lahat ng blood vessels natin, mga ugat natin sa katawan, it can stretch over 60,000 miles or 100,000 kilometers. So that means yung blood vessels natin placed end-to-end could circle the globe about 2.5 times. Ganun siya kalaki, ganun siya kahaba, okay? And yun, appreciate your your blood vessels. No, nakaikot na siya ng mundo. Ayan. And no, to summarize everything, a closer look at our cardiovascular system. So our cardiovascular system delivers the oxygen, okay? Kasi once nawala ng oxygen ang katawan, no? Ilang ano lang yan, mamamatay na yung mga organs natin or magkakaroon ng organ damage. Kaya important ang oxygenation. And it also delivers nutrients, removes waste such as carbon dioxide from our system. And we need not just the heart, but we also need the lungs, no? Para mag-deliver ng oxygen and nutrients all over the body. So, ayan. And, ayun. So, this is an example, a video of a heart beating. Ayan, healthy siya na heart. Ayan, so it has 4 chambers. And yung red po dyan na mga ugat, it has this, dito po yung mga oxygenated na dumadaan na dugo. While the blue ones, no, kaya titingnan nyo yung ninyo, mga deoxygenated po yan na veins. So, ibig sabihin, pabalik po yung dugo sa heart para ma-carry na naman ulit ng oxygen. So, ayan. So, I hope you were able to appreciate your heart. And alagaan po natin ang ating puso dahil, you know, if there is gonna be a simple problem in our heart, it could lead into something bigger and, you know, more severe and even worse condition. Mahirap po yun kasi ang heart po natin, ito talaga yung bumubuhay sa ating katawan. Ayan, so let's move to the next part of our discussion. So, James, take it away.
Ayan. Ang daming daming reason, no? Para alagaan natin yung ating heart, no? For these slides naman, no? This is the facts, no? With regards dun sa ating heart disease. So, based nung 2022, no? From January to February, no? The top 3 cause of death in our country is the ischemic heart disease. Makikita nyo yun sa slides. Then the cerebrovascular disease and the neoplasm. No? And this percentage, no, same siya nung 2021. So in short, walang pinagbago. The top 3 cause ng death pa rin sa Philippines is those 3. No? In fact, 9,122 cases of death na naitala nung 2022 from January to February pa lang. Isipin nyo, ganun kalala yung when it comes sa mortality, when it comes dun sa ating cardio. No? And there are a lot of ways naman para ma-prevent natin, no, those kind of disease. No? Diyan papasok yung ating number 1 is the healthy lifestyle. There are 2 most important factors, no, para ma-prevent natin yung those kind of disease, especially yung ating mga cardio disease. Number 1 is yung lifestyle nga, no? Daily exercise is the by far best way to maintain yung ating healthy heart and to support yung ating good cardiovascular health, no? Sabi nga dapat at least 20 to 30 minutes every day kang nag-exercise, no, to maintain yung healthy heart, yung healthy cardiovascular, no? And number 1, the second important factor, no, na dapat mo i-consider to or para maging healthy yung heart is the diet, no? And there, not just the diet, no? There are specific diet na dapat natin i-consider to maintain or to achieve yung ating healthy heart condition. Dapat yung diet daw is low in trans fat, no, and salt, while high in vegetable and lean protein, no? That's the diet na kailangan natin to support yung ating healthy heart. Now, when we say low trans fat, dapat less yung fat, no, less yung meat, no? And dapat more on vegetable tayo, especially yung mga green leafy vegetable. No? Those vegetable kasi is makakatulong sa ating heart, no? And when it comes sa fruit naman, dapat more on fruit, especially yung banana. Kasi banana is high in potassium. That support yung ating heart. No? Ayan, that's it for the diet. So sir, paano naman no, kung hindi namin ma-achieve yung exercise, yung 20 to 30 minutes exercise a day and yung diet, no? Kaya si Yusana no nag-create no nung product for you guys, no? This is the cardio pack na tinatawag namin. So the cardio pack is composed of three main products, no? Which is the four products, no? The Cell Essentials, the Biomega, Coquinone, and Proflavanol, no? Which is i-discuss ko one by one later kung bakit those product is yung napili namin for the cardio pack, no? So, by the way, cardio pack is a heart healthy optimized for you guys, no? Kasi alam naman natin that our cardiovascular system is nagtatrabaho tirelessly, no? And deserve niya ng optimal support. That's why we create nga yung cardio pack na naka-tailored to support yung ating cardiovascular health and to enhance yung healthy blood circulation. Ayan. And also to maintain yung ating ideal cholesterol level. So ayan, discuss natin one by one kung ano ba yung inclusion ng ating cardio pack. No? But before tayo mag-proceed pala dun sa ating product, no, let's watch this video muna. Ayan, that is for our Cell Essentials, no? Ayan, obvious naman na first product natin for the cardio pack is yung Cell Essentials. And alam naman na natin that Cell Essentials is composed of 13 multivitamins, 11 essential minerals, and 11 antioxidants, no? This is our flagship products, no? The core Cell Essentials and the antioxidant. This product work together to support yung ating overall health or yung tinatawag nating vibrant health, no? And those 13 multivitamins and 11 essential minerals will support our cardiovascular function and yung our heart health, no? Kaya Cell Essentials is very important, no, when it comes to cardiovascular health. Next product po natin dyan is yung Biomega. Ito, one of the important product rin ito for our heart because Biomega has a omega-3 fatty acid or yung fish oil concentrate plus vitamin D3. No, this product is support the sound of cardiovascular health and joints as well. No? Because Biomega may reduce the risk of coronary heart disease. So, why? Kasi one serving of Biomega provide at least 1,050 milligrams of EPA and DHA omega-3 fatty acids. So ano ba yung EPA or yung EPA na tinatawag natin in DHA? Those ingredients help to maintain a high or healthy high density lipoprotein or yung tinatawag natin HDL, no, which is the good cholesterol, and triglyceride, which is a type of fat level, no, dun sa ating katawan. Yan po ay important to support yung ating healthy artery or arterial function and blood flow. And also, Biomega has a higher level of omega-3 in plasma to help to maintain yung ating normal blood pressure level. So, yun po si Biomega. Next product is si Proflavanol C100. No, this product is support the health of our immune and cardiovascular system as well yung ating good-looking skin. No? Proflavanol C has a great seed extract and vitamin C, no? Which is, it will help sa ating vascular function. No? And also, this will aid your effort to maintain yung ating normal and healthy blood pressure level. Ayan. And for the cardiovascular advantage of proclavidyl C, comes from the unique combination ng ating antioxidant, which is yung vitamin C. No? Alam naman natin, si vitamin C is the main source ng ating antioxidant. No? Kasi antioxidant, it fight yung ating free radicals or yung ating some environmental factor na may affect yung ating cardiovascular. No? So yun po yung ginagawa ni proclavidyl C. Next product or yung ating last product for the CardioPack is the Coquinone 30. No? This product naman is to support the production of our cellular energy. Now, it has coenzyme Q10 and alpha lipoic acid. No? This Coquinone 30 serve or yung ating cells kasi need ng ATP or ng energy, making Coquinone important for maintaining the overall health. And Coquinone kasi, ang ginagawa po niyan, it helps to provide yung nutrient na kailangan ng ating heart para makapag-contract and makapag-relax siya. No? In short, para makapag-pump normally yung ating heart. No? That's why meron tayong Coquinone 30. And ayan, that's it for our cardio pack. And thank you so much. And I hope na marami kayong natutunan sa diniscuss namin today ni Ninian. Ayan.
So ako ang ganda ng products natin, James. No, kasi aside dun sa overall health, no, yung ating cell essentials, we also have optimizers that focus on the health ng heart.
Yes,
From the blood vessels, sa muscle mismo ng heart, the energy. Wala ka nang hanapin pa. Yun. So,
complete package na, di ba? Wala ka nang ibang hahanapin.
so na ano na natin nalagay na natin siya in one pack o orderin na.
Yes.
Pwede auto order. Or if you want to present this to someone na gustong bigyan ng atensyon ng heart health nila, present these cardio pack to them. Okay? Ayan. So ako personally, I really love Coquinone 30. Coquinone ba? Yes.
Yeah, Coquinone 30.
Kasi pag di ba, pag nag-workout, kailangan ng extra energy.
Yes, energy. Totoo yan. Ako, that's one of my favorite rin. And syempre, hindi mawawala si Cell Essentials sa diet. Yeah, sobrang important ng mga supplement sa atin. Especially if you are very active person. Diba?
Sige nga, paano nga yung active person, James?
Ang ligalig.
Opo, napaka-active. Kung alam nyo lang, charot.
Ayan. So before tayo mag-end, meron lang akong announcement, no? This coming Saturday, yung ating roadshow sa Batangas. Kasama po natin dyan our 2-star diamond, Ryan Tan. No? Save the date po. This coming Saturday. Tomorrow na po yan, no? Sa Aquamarine Recreational Center. Ayan. And meron pa yung with regarding sa ating fat loss. No? August 10, yung ating final weigh-in. No? Don't miss out po yung ating final weigh-in. And sa mga challenger po ng ating fat loss, wag po natin kakalimutan yung ating social media post. No? Yung number 1 is yung my workout tip. The second post naman is my diet tip. And August 10 yung ating pinaka-final or last day ng ating final weigh-in. So, good luck po sa mga challenger and I hope marami nga kayo natutunan sa ating episode ng ating Wellness Weekend Talk.
Ayun. So see you next week, guys. And we're gonna talk another interesting topic. Aside from our nutrition packs, we will be discussing the remaining pack for that.
Yes.
But we also be talking about some things about wellness now. So don't miss our Wellness Weekend Talk next week. Di ba, James? So
Yes, correct. So, ano naman kayang pack ang ating i-discuss? Yes.
Ayan. So, thank you so much, everyone. And have a wonderful evening. This is Nina Cordon, your pharmacist from Davao City. And with me,
I am James Lariosa, all the way here from Makati office. Thank you guys and have a great weekend.
hey, bye!
Bye!
This incredible cell belongs to you. But what is so incredible about your cells? When you nourish your cells properly, simple nutrients and proteins become complex systems and structures that adapt, regenerate, and grow. Working in your body day and night to do the things that make you, you. That's why at USANA, we're not just health obsessed, we're cell obsessed. Over 30 years, that obsession has been used to create products that help you care for your cells with the right nutrients in the right amounts. And to develop technologies like the patented USANA Intelligence technology with targeted health benefits that give your cells what they need to take care of you. USANA's science teams meticulously research, validate, and test every product every step of the way to ensure your cells get nothing but the best. That's why thousands of professional and Olympic athletes trust USANA more than any other supplement company in the world. Using the same nutrition you can trust to nourish your family. And USANA is working to create the healthiest family on earth. A family built of people just like you, who care about the health of themselves, their community, and their planet. Working together to give back to underprivileged communities and focused on keeping our world beautiful, because healthy cells need a healthy environment to thrive. So, what is it that's so incredible about your cells? They are a part of what makes you, you. Start your own USANA story and see what the obsession is all about.